Hello beautiful people, I want to discuss Shiba Inu, specifically Shiba Inu burns. I recently came across an article or update about the inaugural Shiba Inu burn on Shibarium. Initially, I was intrigued by the idea that once $225,000 worth of Shiba Inu would be accumulated for burning, there would be a website with a button, and someone would push the button, burning all $225,000 worth of Shiba Inu. It sounded like a burn baby burn scenario. However, I later found out that to reach that $225,000 threshold, many transactions on Shibarium would be needed. The team has been relatively quiet lately, and there's a bit of concern as Lucy has disappeared for a few days, and Shoshi hasn't tweeted recently. I hope it's just a vacation, but my mind tends to wander into darker thoughts due to recent personal experiences. Moving on to the Shiba Inu burn on Shibarium, the article mentioned that 97 million Shiba was burned. At first glance, this might seem like a significant amount, but considering you can get a million Shiba Inu for $6.80, it's not earth-shattering. I tried to verify this on Etherscan but couldn't find the transaction. The confusion arises from the fact that sending tokens on Shibarium to the dead wallet doesn't actually send them to the Layer 1 dead wallet on Ethereum. According to sources, Shiba burns must be done on Ethereum's Layer 1 to count towards circulating supply reduction. This has caused a split in the Shiba community, with some arguing that burns should work the same way in both environments. The official stance is that Shiba burns on Shibarium's Layer 2 won't affect the actual supply. The lack of clarity has led to a call for answers from the Shiba team or the Shibarium team. Perhaps there needs to be a dedicated website to track these burns and give recognition to those contributing. I'll try to reach out to Lucy, Shoshi, and Cal for clarification. The current price of Shiba is at 0.05682, up 0.74% on the day. Despite Fed remarks, the market is holding strong. I hope for a calm weekend in the crypto market. I've also contemplated making a video on whether the situation at home is affecting the cryptocurrency market. So far, it seems to have a minimal impact on the global scale, but it's something worth exploring. Thank you for watching, and let's make a lot of money. Breaking news in the world of shibainu. BlackRock has just made a surprising move, and the Federal Reserve is reinforcing its stance. Are we at a turning point, signaling a market shift in the coming weeks? I'll share my insights, but all I ask in return is a big smile when you smash that like button. Now, I recorded this video only to find out later that my microphone was accidentally disconnected. The challenges of having kids learning from home, right? Anyway, let's hope the information and jokes are as good as the version with no sound. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button. I set a goal for 800 likes this time. Even Baby Yoda is asking for it, so let's make it happen. Now, let's dive into the market update. Things have been quite volatile recently, especially after the Federal Reserve Chairman's recent remarks. Bitcoin is currently at $28,677, showing a rise in the past 16 hours. Shiba Inu is relatively stable at $0.000676, with a slight increase in the 4-hour chart. Analyzing the technicals, Shiba Inu experienced a 3% uptick from the lower part of the stochastic fall. Short-term fluctuations offer opportunities, like Solana's 7% surge today. Platforms like Bybit, with 10x margin options, can amplify gains or losses, so tread carefully. Now, onto the Federal Reserve statements. They hint at potential interest rate hikes if the economy remains robust. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's a measure to curb inflation during periods of economic strength. The market reacted swiftly, as seen in both the stock and crypto markets' ups and downs. In other significant news, BlackRock has updated its ETF prospectus, following similar moves by ARK and Fidelity. This suggests a serious approach to regulatory compliance. The Bitcoin ETF decision is just over a week away, and anticipation is high. The U.S. Treasury Department is also eyeing crypto mixers, emphasizing concerns about money laundering by criminals. Venture capital funding in crypto has hit its lowest since Q4 2020. However, this doesn't necessarily signal a bearish trend. Those who invested in 2019 and 2020 reaped rewards in 2021, while those who joined later faced challenges. Contrarian investing, as Warren Buffett famously said, often pays off when others are overly optimistic or pessimistic. Crypto sentiments are currently neutral, and despite market fluctuations, this could be an opportune time for strategic planning. Remember, successful investing often involves contrary thinking, buying when others are fearful. In the crypto regulatory space, there are calls for crackdowns on crypto mixers due to concerns about money laundering. Meanwhile, the crypto community continues to navigate the ever-evolving landscape, including discussions around VC funding reaching new lows. To sum it up, stay informed, stay adaptable, and let's navigate these markets together. As always, the future is uncertain, but strategic planning and a keen eye on market dynamics can guide us through. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, let's stay focused on making those gains. The cryptocurrency market has been witnessing significant fluctuations, with Bitcoin taking the lead in outpacing other prominent players like Shiba Inu, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Investors are closely eyeing the potential approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF, anticipating its potential ripple effect on Shiba Inu's price and the broader market dynamics. The technical analysis of Shiba Inu's charts is complemented by a noteworthy observation: the surge in trading volume despite ongoing price fluctuations. This prompts a deeper exploration into the implications of such rising volume and its potential signals for the future of Shiba Inu coin. However, the narrative expands beyond market intricacies to encompass external factors that wield considerable influence. The focus shifts to the actions of the Attorney General in New York, who has initiated legal proceedings against crypto firms for alleged fraud, amounting to a staggering $1.1 billion. This development raises pertinent questions about the regulatory landscape and the extent to which such actions genuinely protect the interests of retail investors. A notable undercurrent of skepticism permeates the discussion, particularly regarding the intentions of regulators and the potential distribution of recovered funds. The speaker poses thought-provoking questions about whether retail investors can truly expect to be made whole, or if a substantial portion of recovered funds might find its way into the hands of legal entities. Drawing parallels between the historical performance of Shiba Inu and Bitcoin, the speaker articulates concerns about the correlation between these cryptocurrencies. The hypothetical scenario of Shiba Inu facing considerable losses if Bitcoin were to experience a significant downturn becomes a focal point, emphasizing the gravitational pull of Bitcoin on the broader crypto market. Amidst these uncertainties, the speaker maintains a cautious optimism about Shiba Inu's potential for recovery. A notable 23% increase in trading volume is highlighted as a positive indicator. Yet, the speaker remains acutely aware of the challenges posed by the broader market dynamics, contemplating the potential consequences if Bitcoin were to retrace to previous lows. In conclusion, the video provides a nuanced exploration of Shiba Inu coin's current standing within the intricate web of cryptocurrency markets. It seamlessly weaves together technical analysis, regulatory developments, and broader market trends. The narrative oscillates between optimism and realism, reflecting the complex and ever-evolving nature of the cryptocurrency landscape.